There we have it. This is an old American Series 3700 that I rescued off of a fence. I've raked it open before. It's actually keyed to my front door. There's the bidding for my front door. Pop on by if you want to visit. At any rate, yeah, I never SPP'd it before, so there it is. You don't see these around that often. I don't think I've ever seen one before. It can be keyed to a Schlog or a Wiser keyway. I believe actually multi lock is also is coming out with a alternative keyway that will fit Schlog or Wiser. At any rate, for fantastic picking tools like Clom, go to uklockpickers.co.uk or talk to Lockpicks08 here on YouTube. So don't forget to rate my vid. Peace, and as always, have fun.